Welcome to the introduction video for the ThermoPro TP829B cooking thermometer. Out of the box, you will receive one customer support card, one user manual, one receiver, one transmitter, 4 color-coded stainless steel probes, 4 AAA batteries, and 2 probe clips. Let's set up your TP829B. First, insert the batteries into the back of both the transmitter and receiver. Next, insert the temperature probes into their corresponding ports on the transmitter. Let's go over the receiver features. The receiver has an LCD display. On the display, you'll have an alarm icon in the top right corner. It's equipped with a soft rubber sleeve, a hanging hole, magnets, the battery compartment, and a tabletop stand. Now let's go over the buttons. The receiver has a power button, which can also be used to pair the devices if they ever unpair from each other. The probe timer button is used to select between probes 1 to 4, and if held down for 3 seconds, it will enter the timer mode. The light Fahrenheit Celsius button can be used for usage in low light conditions. To switch between Fahrenheit and Celsius, press and hold this button down for 3 seconds. The up arrow button is used to increase temperature and timer settings. The down arrow button is used to decrease temperature and timer settings. The SS button is the timer control and alarm activation button. The meat button allows you to select preset meat temperatures. The taste high-low button allows you to set high and low barbecue temperatures and custom doneness levels. Let's go over the transmitter features. The transmitter has an LCD display. It's equipped with a soft rubber sleeve, 4 color-coded probe ports, a hanging hole, the battery compartment, and a tabletop stand. Now let's go over the buttons. Press the power button once to power on and off the transmitter. To switch between Fahrenheit and Celsius, hold down this button for 3 seconds. There is also a backlight button on the transmitter for usage in low light conditions. Let's go over how to set a preset meat temperature. Press the probe button to select any of the probes, and then press the meat button to enter the preset options. Keep pressing the meat button until you reach the type of meat preset you would like to use. You can use the taste button to change the doneness level for the type of meat. Press the alarm button to turn on and off the alarm for that probe setting. To set a meat temperature to your specific taste, select a probe and then press the meat button until you reach the program option. Use the up or down buttons to set your custom temperature setting. You can hold down the button to scroll faster. To set high and low barbecue temperatures, first select a probe and then press the meat button until you reach the barbecue icon. Press the high-low button to set the high setting first. Then press the high-low button again to switch to the low setting. Press the alarm button to turn on and off the alarm for this barbecue setting. To set a countdown or count up timer, press and hold the timer button for 3 seconds to enter the timer mode. Press the up button to adjust the minute setting. Press the SS button to confirm, and it will switch to the second setting, and again, use the up-down buttons to set the seconds. Use the SS button to control the timer. To clear the timer, hold down the clear button for 3 seconds. It will automatically switch to the count up timer. You are now ready to set up and use your brand new TP829B cooking thermometer.